Hi everyone. So today I have the Sephora Favorites Pop Beauty Cred little box here. Opens like this. And that. There is a Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. And this is what it looks like. Little tiny guy. And then this is what it says what is in here. And then these are stickers. Next thing I'm pulling out is from Mason Margiela, don't know. And it is the replica beach walk. That's what it looks like. I think this is a perfume. Yep. Cute little bottle. And it smells alright. Then next is from Amika, and it's Flash Instant Shine Mask. Looks like. And it is a hair mask. Next I am pulling out from Fresh, and it is Rose Petal Soft Lip Cream. Oh, did I show you? No, but there. And this is what it looks like. Smells like rose, kind of, but it's not that unpleasant rose smell, at least to me. Then there is single eyeshadow from Natasha Denona, and it is in Moonstone. I'm going to swatch it if I can get it open. Again, here it is. Very, very pretty eyeshadow. And then the last thing in here is from Lord Jones. And it is a high CBD formula body lotion in fragrance free. Looks like. It says the Lord works in mysterious ways here. And this is what it looks like. Tiny little baby. And it has a little pump. So that's cool. And that was all that was in the Sephora Favorites Pop one. I forgot how much this one was also, so I will look that up and put it on the screen somewhere to let y'all know. And I hope y'all have a great day.